Hello students, in this small basic tutorial I would be covering the loops. The number one is the unstructured loop or the infinite loop, which uses start and go to, which is there in your book. And then there is the for loop and the while loop. Okay, so we should see it with the help of a question. We have a question in our book to print the Fibonacci series for the first 15 numbers. So let's understand what Fibonacci series is. The Fibonacci series are the numbers where each number is the sum of two preceding numbers. For example, if you starts with 1, then 2, then 3 will be 1 plus 2, 5 will be 2 plus 3, 8 will be 3 plus 5, and so on. So let's see how to print a Fibonacci series for the first 15 numbers in small basic. Here I have done the program using the infinite loop, that is using start and go to. In this program, first we will initiate a variable with 1, another variable with 2, and I is the counter. That means I is the step, that is plus 1 every time. So next is, with the help of text window dot write line, I will write the value of a, that is 1, on the output screen. Similarly b, which is 2, on the output screen. Then our loop will start, where another variable c will store the addition of a and b, that is 1 plus 2. Next is, using the text window dot write line, you will see the third number, that would be 1 plus 2, along with 1 and 2 addition together. Next will be the swapping. A will become B and B will become C. Then the counter, that is the steps, will increase by 1. See here, I is equal to I plus 1. And then a conditional statement if, where it will go till 30. We have seen that the question is for 15 numbers, and 1 and 2 are already done. So 3 onwards it is 13. So when it will go one by one till 13, it will add the preceding two numbers and show it. Then it will go to start, that is here, and it will repeat the steps till it reaches 13. Understood? Let's see the next one. Here I am using the for loop. Okay, same program. The change is, now when it is for loop, we will be using the word for, where I is equal to 1 to 13. It is definite. Did you understand? This is absolutely clear that I, the counter or the steps, will go from 1 to 13 automatically, plus 1 every time. So next is C equal to A plus B, and then the right line will show you the addition. Then the swapping will be done, A equal to B, equal to C, and end for. Okay. Next is your while loop. Once again, same program. The change is, instead of for, it is while now. Here also the range needs to be mentioned and the increment needs to be mentioned within the loop. Did you understand? We did not do this particular step in for. It was not required. So according to me, the for loop is the easiest to understand. Once again, the rest of the thing is same. So when we go to the next slide, we have the steps in small basic. See, I have opened small basic. I have already done the program, maximizing the screen, opening the program. You can see that I have named it Fibonacci, and I have done all the programs, but I have chosen the start and go to option. Okay, when I am running it, I can see the output, which is 1, then 2, then 3 is equal to 1 plus 2, 5 is equal to 2 plus 3, 8 is equal to 3 plus 5, etc., etc. Okay. Now go to the next option. This is your output. You can easily see that number 3 onwards, it is showing you the addition of the preceding two numbers. 987 is 377 plus 610, and this is up to 15 numbers. Okay, so this is Fibonacci series for first 15 numbers. Next, let's do one more. What is a factor? You know, if a number divides another number, then that number is known as the factor. Here you can see the definition is written. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly, leaving no remainder. For example, if you consider three factors of 625, then 1, 5, 25, 125 and 625 are the factors of 625. Now let's do a small basic program using loops to get the factors of a number. See here, once again I have used start and go to. So here also there is a prompt where the user is asked for a number on the output screen using this line. Then the number given by the user is stored in number variable using the read number method. Then the counter starts, that is the step starts, I equal to 1, then start. Now next is, if the number is divided by I and the remainder is 0, that means I is the factor, so I will be written. Okay, and then if ends here, and then the counter is increased by 1. Okay, I equal to I plus 1, then go to start, that means it will come here unless and until all the factors are received. So let's see next one is using for loop. See the same prompt, same variable allocation, and then one more extra line that factors of the given number are, and then using for, it is for I to number, I is equal to 1 to number, that means the first factor is automatically 1 until the number it will go, and uh, I will divide the number to check for the remainder 0. The value of I which gives the remainder 0 is taken as the factor and it will be given as the output. Then if ends and or ends. Okay. Next, go to the next option, that is the while loop. Here also the same prompt, same variable allocation, counter starts at 1, and then the same statement which will give you the output. And here, like in for, it was I is equal to 1 to the number. Now here I is already 1, but it will go till the number less than or equal to the number. Once again, the number will be divided by I to check for the remainder as 0. If the value of I gives you the remainder 0, then it is the factor which will be written in the output screen with the help of this line, and then end if, and then the counter is increased by 1. So 1 will become 2, 2 will become 3, 3 will become 4, and so on till the given number. Then end while ends the program. Okay. Now let's see the next screen. Next screen is the practical display of the program. See once again, factor, start, go to. When you run the program, see it is asking for a number, that is 625, and when you press enter, it is 1, 5, 25, 125, and 625. These are the factors of the number 625. Okay, let's go to the next screen. So this is the output. All right, next go to the next screen. Thank you, students, for watching. Please learn it, practice it.